I think the format's wonderful, and you've done such a great job, you and your team, organizing everything. I've met a lot of people here that I don't think I would have ever met anywhere else, and business owners, other CEOs, and people really from diverse walks of life. So, for someone who spends most of their time in the West and in Europe and North America, it's really wonderful to meet Middle Easterners, feel the warmness of the culture. And it's really great meeting people who really understand commodities. And with a strong energy background here, they seem to really get and understand what we do in the energy space and metals and in cryptocurrency even. Oh, absolutely. And I think as technology becomes more pervasive in people's lives, that face-to-face contact becomes even more important. And actually, at the forum here, we met two guys who I had talked to previously via phone. There was actually a lot of business sense for us working together, but it never really connected. And then you see them in the forum, you meet each other, you break bread, you have tea, and you're like, what, we really should be working together. And we're meeting formally on Thursday to discuss that. So thanks
Okay.
for being the catalyst there.